the motion is SHM. During the fall, the motion is uniform acceleration and retardation. The line of stroke of the follower is offset by 12 mm from the center of cam. The speed of the cam is uniform. Firstly, we have to take a scale for a displacement diagram. 1 cm is equal to 30 degrees, so 360 degrees is equal to 12 cm. So draw a line of 12 cm from here, and we know the lift of follower is 40 mm. Draw exact perpendicular to this line, 40 mm from here. Draw this line. The lift of follower is 40 mm. Lift of follower is 40 mm, so draw 40 mm from here. We know that the lift of motion is SHM during the lift, so we have to draw a half circle from here. We have to draw a half circle here, so draw a half circle. Then divide this half circle into 6 equal parts. The outstroke angle is 120 degree, so 120 degree is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 30 degrees, so 120 degree is equal to 4 centimeter. So mark 4 centimeter from here, 4 centimeter. We know that in the problem number of pauses are 2, and first outstroke is 120 degree, return stroke is 150 degree, so 120 plus 150 is equal to 270, and 360 minus 270 is equal to 90 degree, and within 90 degree number of pauses are 2, so 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45 degree, means dwell period is 45 degree, and 45 degree is equal to 1.5 centimeter, because the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 30 degrees. So mark 1.5 centimeter from here and draw first, and draw a line. The return stroke is 150 degree, so 150 degree is equal to 5 centimeter. So draw 5 centimeter from here. And the last dwell period is 1.5 centimeter. So we have to divide this outstroke 120 degree into 6 equal parts. So we have divided this into 6 equal parts. Simply draw a 45 degree angle, divide into this 6, mark a 6 centimeter from here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and draw a perpendicular line to this line. Join this 6 last point to this line and draw exact perpendicular lines, and then draw this line. So we have divided this into 6 equal parts. Then draw exact perpendicular to this line, and from these points draw perpendicular to this line, exactly perpendicular, and then point it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next divide this 150 degree into 6 equal parts. Like this process you have to apply here. Divide this into 6 equal parts. We have to divide this 150 degree into 6 equal parts. We have divided this into 6 equal parts and number it 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then next we have to divide this 9th line into 6 equal parts. So we can't divide this 4 centimeter, means 40 mm into 6 equal parts, because one part is of 6.67 centimeter. So then draw 45 degree, mark 6 centimeter, and then join these points. And what next? Simply draw perpendicular line to this. So from this, don't draw line, mark only points on the 9th line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have marked this point. Then next what we have to do, firstly we have to draw points here. So draw points here on this point. This is A, second B, third C, fourth D, fifth E, and sixth this is F. Again this is F. Then next what we have to do, draw a line from this point to F. Draw a line. Then from this, on this 7th line, this is F, G, this is a G. Draw next line from here to F. On this 8th line, here is H. Then draw next from this midpoint to here. Draw this line. On the 9th line, this is a point I. Draw this I. Then next from this point, draw a line. This is J. On the 11th line, draw a point line from here. This is a K, and this is L point. This is last point is L. Draw a curve from this point with the help of French curve. And then next again draw a curve from these points. Draw a curve from these points I, J, K and L with the help of French curve. So we have completed this displacement diagram, and we have to draw next cam profile. We have to draw a profile of cam, and first minimum radius of cam is 25 mm. So take a distance of 25 mm in a compass and draw a circle of 25 mm. The roller diameter is 25 mm and roller is offset by 12 mm from the center of the cam. Means draw a center line 12 mm offset from the center of cam, and then mark the 12.5, means 12.5 is the radius of the roller, and draw a circle of 12.5 mm here. We have drawn a circle, and then join this center of the cam and the center of the roller by a line, and from this line the first our outstroke angle is 120 degree. From this draw 120 degree here. Draw an angle of 120 degree here. Then next draw angle of 45 degree here, and again from this 45 degree draw 150 degree angle. So again this will become 45, and then next divide this 120 degree into 6 equal parts and this 150 degree into 6 equal parts, and also draw a circle from this center to from the center of cam to the center of roller. Draw a circle like this. Means we have divided this 120 degree into 6 equal parts and this 150 degree into 6 equal parts. We don't have to join these points, these 6 equal parts. We don't join these 6 equal parts with lines because there will be a very complex diagram. Simply mark the points on this pitch circle. This means this is mark the points like this. We have to simply mark these points with the help of scale. Mark these points. Also mark this on this 150 degree. Number these points as this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 6. Then again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we have to draw tangent line from to this circle, and from this point draw a tangent line, and then again from this 2 and to tangent to this circle draw a tangent line from this 2 point, then again from this circle to 3 draw a tangent line, and again 4 draw a tangent line, from 5 draw a tangent line, and also draw tangent line to this in this 150 degree. From these 6 points draw tangent line 6, 7, draw a tangent line to this, draw tangent line from all these points, these 8 on the pitch circle. On the pitch circle we have drawn these points, and we have to draw a tangent line to this from these pitch circle points. We have drawn these tangent lines, and then simply from this displacement diagram take a distance of 1 to A in a compass, and mark this distance from this 1 to here, this 1 to A, and next take a distance 2 to B in a compass. Take this distance in a compass and mark from 2 to B. Then next take a distance 3 to C and mark this from 3 to C, 4 to D, 4 to D, 5 to E, 5 to E, then last 6 to F, 6 to F. Mark these points. Also take a distance 6 to F and mark this 6 to F, from this 6 to this here, 6 to F. Then next this 7 to G. Take this distance in compass 7 to G and mark this from this 7 to here, G. And then next take a distance of 8 to H and mark it on this 8 to the H, and then 9 to I. From this 9 mark this I distance, and then next 10 to J. Take this distance 10 to J and mark this from here 10 to here, this is 10 to J. Next 11 to K. Mark this from 11 to K. We have marked these distances, and next we have to name it. Firstly, from this 1 to this distance, this is A, B, C, D, E, and this is F. Then again this is F, G, H, I, J, K, and this is point L. Our roller diameter is 25 mm, means radius is 12.5 mm. So take this distance of roller and next draw a circle from this A point. Draw a circle. We have drawn this circle, and simply take this distance and again draw from B circle, then again from C, D, E, F, G, H, draw a circles here. We have drawn the circles, means the position of the rollers, and then join the